2019 Toyota Yaris. Whether you're interested in the 5-door or 3-door model, the Yaris offers a sleek design, plenty of interior space, and standard side and side curtain airbags, as well as vehicle stability control. Named 2010 Best Overall Value of the Year by IntelliChoice.com, you simply can't go wrong with a Yaris. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, trip computer, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control, brake assist, tachometer, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, front bucket seats, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, passenger vanity mirror, speed control, 4-piece floor mat set, low tire pressure warning, front wheel independent suspension. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.